Hey guys, today I'll show you a neat trick to make Instagram look cool with dark modes like. I'll make it simple and very easy. Let's start. Just open the app and tap on your profile. Then go to the settings, scroll down, find the accessibility option and give it a tap. Choose dark mode and just click the on option. It's pretty simple. Dark mode is easier on the eyes, especially at night. And that's how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. I will be back soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video.